Are you wondering what is a menstrual cup? Well, worry no more. I am here to your rescue. So, this is the bag that contains our menstrual cup. Well, it is around 3 years old bag, so you can see the situation of it. It is not in a very good shape. But my menstrual cup is in a very good shape. I've been using it since the past 3 years, and I guess you can see it there. So, what are these? Do you want to know? Then do watch the video. Menstrual cup is a small silicone cup which can go inside your vagina, which can collect the blood that women menstruate during the menstrual cycle, and that blood can be disposed of. You can rinse it back and then insert it again, and you can use it till 4, 5, 6, 7 days of your menstruation cycle. So these are the various parts of a menstrual cup. Let's see them in details. So this is the outer rim, okay. Then these are the air holes, as you can see inside. See, so you have four of these holes. One, one, two, three, four. I think you can better see them through this. So you have two here, one, two, and in the opposite direction. Again you have these two. So you have these air holes. Then this is the cup body. Then you have this tiny small stem grip. Okay, it helps to ensure that you can check that it is not going anywhere, and it ensures that the cup is reachable to your fingers when you have put it inside, when you have inserted it inside your vagina. Okay, then there is a quantity marker here. I'm not sure whether you can see this or not. You can see something is written on this. Yeah, see here. These are the amount of blood that is secreted. So this is 7.5 ml and 15 ml. So this ensures, so this amount of blood that is collected here is more than the amount of blood that is collected in a sanitary pad or tampons. So sanitary pads or tampons, you have to change it quite frequently when compared to menstrual cup, because it holds larger amount of blood. Apart from this, you have body grips here. I think you can see the body grips. You have the body grips above, and you also have the body grips here. I'm not sure. I hope this is visible. This lines. So it ensures, or rather helps, proper grip inside, to hold it inside the vagina, and not fall off just like this. It will keep it in place. Comes in three sizes: small, medium, and large. Small are for those who hasn't begun their active sexual life. Medium are for those who are who are active in their sexual life, and the large one is for those who has bear children. Okay, so the reason being the difference in the stretchability as well as the size of the mouth. So the smaller ones, the small cups have a smaller mouth compared to medium, and then the large ones have comparatively larger mouth. But if you check the diameter online, there is very slight difference, so don't worry. Menstrual cup comes in various shapes and sizes. I'm saying that because if you search online types of menstrual cup, you will find there are lunette cups, moon cups, keeper cups, diva cups, and similarly there are several cups. Well, this menstrual cup that I'm using, I have bought it from Rustic Art website. Okay, and I would ask you to buy one menstrual cup which is of similar color, that is white or rather transparent in color. If you're using a menstrual cup which is of a different color, okay, so you won't be able to know if it is properly cleaned or not. But in this transparent one, you can ensure that your menstrual cup is always clean. There are different ways in which you can fold a cup and insert it inside. It won't go directly like this, okay? So those folds I'll be telling you in a different video, where I'll be telling you how to insert and remove the menstrual cup. Remember, whenever you are inserting the menstrual cup, you need to fold it in a certain way to insert it, because this diameter does not go along with the diameter of your vaginal opening down there. So you need to fold it in a certain way to insert it, and then while removing it also, it automatically gets folded in a certain way. So you don't have to worry about removal much. It is mostly about the insertion that you might need to worry a little bit about. If you're worrying that menstrual cup makes things messy, the blood might look messy, so worry not, because when you remove the menstrual cup, it is designed in such a way that the removal ensures that whatever blood is collected in the menstrual cup, it gets spilled over in the flow portion. Okay, so if you're taking it out in your toilet seat, it will go down, all the blood and excess whatever has come out, so it will be going down, and you can immediately flush it or water it so that it goes down the drain. I will be counting you the characteristics or the advantages of using menstrual cup. So the first thing that I would like to tell you about menstrual cup is that it is environmental friendly. It is made up of silicone, which is biodegradable in nature, and you don't have to dispose it after it is used. You can use that same menstrual cup, you heard it right, for 10, 15 to 20 years. Okay, the second point is that it is body friendly. Unlike sanitary pads or tampons, which can be used only for a limited time period, as in, like for example, sanitary pads, you can use it for 8 to 9 hours and it should be preferably changed after that, because it is not healthy for your skin down there. Similarly, tampons, you can use it for only 3 to 4 hours as far as I am aware, and if you use it for more, it can lead to various infections and diseases. And tampons are also soaking up the natural fluids, making your inner area dry, whereas menstrual cup, it does not harm your body in any way. It just goes there, sits, does its job, and you can throw it, and you can take it out, throw the blood, and then again put it inside. It does not soak up or make a vagina dry in any way. Third point is that you can keep it inside your body up to 12 hours or a little bit more, depending on the kind of flow that you're having, and it won't hurt you. Fourth is that it prevents leakages if it is put in right. Yes, you heard it right. You can wear your white pants, white jeans, or any white clothes as per your liking, and if you are fitting the menstrual cup right, it ensures that it is not leaking. Fifth point is that you don't have to worry about getting out of your menstrual cup, because one cup lasts for 10 to 15 years. So unlike pads or tampons, which you need to refill again and again, it does not require any kind of refill. You just have to carry that bag I showed previously, which contains the menstrual cup, with you anywhere and everywhere. And if your period comes in, you can use the menstrual cup inside. And even if you're going to the washroom to change your cup, you don't have to take anything extra along with you, wrapped in a paper. Usually, I remember in school days, we used to search for napkins. We would ask our girl mates, our class teachers, about having extra pads to lend us if period surprises us, gives a surprise visit to us. But with menstrual cup, you can always keep it handy, and once it is inserted, you just have to go to the washroom, remove it, wash it there itself, and then again remove it. You don't have to carry anything extra inside the washroom. Now that I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characteristics of menstrual cup, which I find gives it an upper edge when compared to sanitary napkins and tampons, I would like to tell you about how menstrual cup actually works. So menstrual cup, when you put it inside your vagina, it actually, due to a suction created, is stuck to the upper part of the vagina, the cervix. If you remember, it was earlier described in my previous video. You can go and watch it if you haven't watched it. It's part 1 of Only It Was Easy, all about your body. Also ensures that your menstrual cup is not going anywhere above it, and also you can easily take it out. It is not going to, you're not going to lose it anywhere inside your vagina. And already mentioned, it prevents leakages if it is properly attached to the cervix with the suction created. Well, if you're worrying that how would I know if it is properly fitted or not, and if the suction is working its work, well, maybe you might take 1, 2, 3 trials, but I'm sure by the third trial you will know what is happening with the menstrual cup when it goes inside and how to remove it, and the whole process will be more clear. Tune in to the next video that I'll be dropping in a few days about how to insert a menstrual cup and how to remove a menstrual cup. It is a reusable product, so it is very important to clean the cup properly. After your menstruation cycle has ended and you have taken out the menstrual cup and you're not going to put it again inside your vagina, so and you are planning to keep it inside the packet, then before keeping it inside the bag, what you need to do is you need to wash it with some soap. Prefer a non-scented soap. Okay, after washing it, you can use either a soap or a hand wash, or you can even use a body wash to wash the cup. After washing it properly with water, what you need to do is put that cup in warm boiling water. Remember how our mother used to disinfect baby products by keeping it inside boiling water. Similarly, if you keep this menstrual cup for 10 to 15 minutes inside the boiling water, it will help to disinfect if any germs are there, and it is safe for insertion inside your vagina for the next cycle. And remember, this needs to be done only between the cycles. And once your cycle starts, you don't have to do this. You just have to put it inside. After 12 hours, take it out, rinse it with water, and then again you can insert it. You don't have to use any kind of soap to clean it, or you don't have to put it in any boiling water. It is only to be done in between two menstrual cycles.